Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to review these Auxito LED fog lights I purchased for my 2006 GMC Envoy XL. I was tired of buying cheap LEDs from eBay, so I thought I'd try these out. I currently have some eBay LED lights in my GMC Envoy, which I'll be making a comparison with the Auxito lights. I know many of you guys are watching without subscribing, so hit that subscribe button and show your support to my channel. I will leave a link in the description below on where you can get these fog lamps. I will also leave a promo code which you can use on Auxito and get 15% off any of their products ranging from seat covers to lights. So check that out. Let's get right into the video. These fog lights are 6,500 kelvins in temperature, which is quite the spectrum, and they claim to last for 30,000 hours. The operating voltage is 9 to 18 volts. If you've been following my channel, you'd know that I reviewed some Auxito high beam lights for my GMC Envoy. I'm happy to say, after almost a year, they are still working great with no issues. Let's open this box up and see what we got inside. Opening the box, inside we have a pair of fog lights. I would like to take a moment and talk about the box construction for a bit. This box feels high quality. It's extremely sturdy and well insulated to protect the contents inside. I'm definitely not going to throw away this box. It's that good. It's just these small details that make the overall product look great. Let's check out the bulb itself. The high quality feeling continues here as well. These lights are crafted with aviation aluminum, and man does it feel solid in your hands. I'm very impressed with the quality of these lights so far. These lights have a yellow washer to keep water and debris away from coming inside the fog light assembly, which is a nice touch. There's nothing else in this box, so let's go try out these lights on my GMC Envoy. A full how to install fog lights on a GMC Envoy video will be available, so stay tuned for that. Here's a quick look at the eBay lights on the left versus the new Auxito lights on the right. Build quality wise, the Auxito lights just knocks it out of the park. The eBay one is just a plastic construction. I've installed the Auxito lights on the left side of the vehicle and kept the eBay one on the right. So let's fire up the vehicle and check out these lights. The camera does a poor job picking up the light here, but man, you can tell the difference between the Auxito lights on the left versus the eBay lights on the right. The Auxito is just much more brighter than the eBays and gives a cleaner color as well. Now let's go for a drive, first with the old LED eBay lights, then with the new Auxito lights, and check out the difference. My final thoughts are all positive. As you may be able to tell through the video, these Auxito lights are a big improvement over the older eBay lights I had. Not only are these fog lights easy to install, they are super bright and the build quality is just impeccable. I highly recommend them, so if you're looking for fog lights for your GMC Envoy or any other vehicle, check these lights out. Support me by using my promo code GMCLincoln and get up to 15% off all items in store. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and see you all next time.